Hello, my name is Omima. I'm 15 years old. I live in Amsterdam. I have one sister, she is 12 years old, and one brother, he is 10 years old. I go to school at Zeeburg College and my class is 3C. My favorite artist is Boef. His real name is Soufiane Boussadia. Boef is born in 1993, so he is 27 years old now. He had for a long time a relationship with Sama Omari. She's also famous. Boef, Boef is born in France and come when he was 4 years old to the Netherlands. Both his parents come from Algeria, like me. I'm half Dutch, half Algerian. My favorite song is La. I like this song because he have a good text. Both want to make his fans happy because when he was little, he had a hard life. I read in the quote that he make 80,000 euros per month. So he is very rich. So this was my presentation. Bye.